Kama chelo nyako Ramogi Jwang en ni Sirkal dhi nyime kod chenro mago mag reso jodak ma yudore Chesongoch mano kod moror e Elgeyo Marakwet bang' oula mano mar chuodho yweyo gweng'no kendo weyo ka ji 22 ka owito ngimagi kendo dhano ma kwan gi pok oyangi ne oyudo hinyruok. Nyaka sani ji maromo 29 pod imanyo kama nitiere bang' ka anyuolagi yango ni pok ginenogi nyaka ne masira makamano gi. Riwruok mano mar Kenya Red Cross kaachiel kod jogo machiwo sire kinde masira bende koro oriwo koda ka Sirkal e chenro mag reso oganda ma ichich ni chuodho mag oula mane okel kanyo kod koth mapek ne umo. Jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen kaachiel kod jotelo mamoko osemol e gwenge makono ka odiochieng' mar 2 mano mar temo tayo chenro mag reso ngima oganda mano yudo hinyruok kod yango moko mano wito ngimagi.
And request all of us to support each other. I have asked yesterday the local community to work together with the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, and the Ngao officers to make sure that all of us go to safe grounds. As the rains are still on, it's important that we move many of these people to the safe grounds. Along the entire Kerio Valley is actually under threat as it continues to rain, all the way from these sides of Baringo, Keyo side, Marakwet, West Pokot. There is always danger of landslides. And I think that our Ngao officers, our county commissioners, the regional commissioner is well briefed to make sure that we give out early warning and an alert to everybody to go to safe grounds. And if we work together like this, we'll be able to resolve this. There are 21 bodies that were found. 21 included the 2 that were found today on the ground. When I went to Embobud yesterday, you know, so I'm a local, so I have an advantage of continued conversation with the people there. So when I went to Embobud yesterday, we could not retrieve one body. There is a conversation with the families to see how best that can be handled. There is a request also at home there by some of the family members to say, if we found our loved ones in the situation they are, they would have wished to bury them. But you know, there is a government protocol for handling in such disasters, for handling persons who have lost their loved ones.
Ji makwan gi oyawo 3,000 e ward mano mar Kapomboi kar bura mano ma kwanza maidore e county mar Trans Nzoia oula odaro bang'